What's up everyone? Welcome back to Heartwork Creations. In this video, I will be showing you how I put together my go-to makeup look. Pretty much consists of a soft classic eye using warm tone eyeshadows, a bold wing eyeliner, and some matte nude lips. So keep watching if you want to see me put it together. Alright, so first things first, time to get some coffee. Get it to a NC 45. Yeah. Now let's walk over to my little home studio. I want to show you what it looks like. Here I have my perfume, a little candle, some jewelry, and then some tunes going. And this is pretty much my little setup where I film. Got some lights, got the ring light going, got my vanity. And yeah, let's get to filming. Okay, now we're ready to get started. So my eyes have primer and translucent powder on already, so now I'm just gonna go right in with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my soft Glam palette by Anastasia. This is definitely my go-to eyeshadow palette. As you can tell, I hit pan on all of my favorites already. Pretty much silly. I love this palette so much because you can do really easy, simple looks, and you can also create really glam and like nighttime looks too. The formula is really easy to use and very blendable, so I definitely recommend you have this palette in your kit too. So I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow of Burnt Orange, this one right here. I'm going to use a big fluffy Morphe M441 brush. Dip into that. I'm going to start right in the crease and just blend it out. I'm going to go upwards towards my brow. I've been trying to use my lid space more and just go higher up and not be afraid. But it really opens up the eye when you go close to the brow. You just don't want to cover underneath where you highlight to keep your brow looking lifted. So I'm going to blend it out, really extend my eye, and kind of curve it a little bit. I'm just keeping this going right in the crease, keeping this area open. Okay, now that I have my transition shade applied, I'm going to define my outer corner, and I'm going to dip into Rustic, this shade right here, and then I also kind of like to dip in a little bit to that one, so a little bit. And then this is my Morphe M433 brush, so it's a little more compact and smaller. I'm going to keep this right on the outer corner, just kind of round it in, but still blending outwards. The corner of the eyebrow and the eyebrow, just like that. Just a little bit. I don't like to get too dark on this eyeshadow look, so I'm just keeping it right on the outer corner. So now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go ahead and dip into burnt orange again and just a little bit of rustic. Now I'm going to apply that right underneath my lash line. And then you can also take your blending brush, the smaller one, and then just blend it out. Soften it up a bit. So for my lid, I'm going to dip into tempera. I don't know how to say it, tempera. This cream color here. Ooh, and I'm using just this compact eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna press it onto my eyelid. Go upwards towards the outer corner, but you want to cover that darker outer corner. Just like that. And that just really brightens up the eye. Take my blending brush again and just soften it up. Blend it all together a little bit. And that's it. That's all the eyeshadow I'm going to use for this eye look. Keep it really soft. This is little Kaya. She wanted to come in and say hi. She was crying. Okay, next I'm going to move on to my eyelashes. I'm going to use MAC Inextreme Dimension Waterproof Mascara. I really like using waterproof mascara because my mascara tends to run underneath throughout the day. So when I use this, it doesn't do that. Light coat of that. And by the way, I actually work with MAC again. So if you need anything, let me know and I can order it and send it right to you. I just started last week. Finally got myself a little full-time job. It's a flex position, so my hours will change, but I am just so excited because everyone there is so nice and it's just gonna be good to have another source of income, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really excited about this new journey. And I fucking love MAC products. Like, who doesn't love MAC products? MAC is the OG. Like, if you know, you know. MAC is the OG of this beauty industry shit. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies with some individuals on top. So, got the glue on there. I'm just going to go ahead and apply them with some tweezers. So you want to make sure that the glue dries a little bit so that they go on easier. If the glue is too fresh, then they'll be like sliding around. So yeah. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little tacky. So I place them right in the center of my eye and then just kind of drag them to where I want them, and then I just push them towards my lash line. Like that. See what a big difference they make. They look really pretty, but not too like crazy. So just bump up your eye look by about 65%. Once the liner is on, then that's when we're really talking. Let's see. Okay, so this one needs to be a little pushed down more. So I mean, next is when I would apply my eyeliner, but if you wanted a more soft, natural look, you can just keep it like this and then do the lips and you're done. But me, I gotta have my wing liner, So that is the next step. And for that, I'm going to be using my BlackTrack Fluildline eyeliner by MAC. And my Simply Simmons spotter brush. This is my favorite brush ever for eyeliner. If you've watched my past videos, then you know how passionate I am about this damn little brush. It is only about $3 at Michael's craft stores, and it lasts me forever. And I've honestly tried so many different eyeliner brushes, but this one is the shit. I promise you, you're gonna love it. So go to Michael's and go get you one. It will change your eyeliner game forever. You can go ahead and thank me in the comments when you get it. But yeah, so I dip into my eyeliner a little bit, and then go ahead and start right at the center of my eye. Okay, so it ended up being a little thicker and longer than I expected, but it's not really a bad thing. And see how I didn't go too far in with my eyeliner, because if I go too far in, then my eyes will look smaller. So I just keep it right to about where my lashes start, and yeah, just wing it out. And the more you wing it out, the bigger your eyes look. And for my go-to lip combination, I always use the Stripdown Lipliner by MAC. For me, it's like the perfect nude. It is my absolute favorite lip liner ever. And so I just really line on the outer part of my lip, like the outer highlight is what I like to call it. And then color all my lips in to act as a base for my liquid lipstick. And next I'm going to apply the NYX Liquid Suede Sandstorm lip cream. So yeah, the shade is called Sandstorm. I love this formula because it is really soft and creamy, and it doesn't dry out my lips like a matte lipstick would. So yeah, so this is pretty much my go-to lip combination. I love it. Alright, and that is my go-to makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching me put it together. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like this video for me, subscribe to my channel, leave me some feedback and love down below, and tell your friends about me. Go tell them to watch my channel. You know that they'll like it too. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!